I'm specifically excited about Magic Leap because you guys have the commitment to actually understanding the human visual system. Because when I insert holograms into someone's face, we want to make sure they're of a nice quality and not some other
Absolutely.
nefarious sort of thing.
And totally. And safe and comfortable. Like that's absolutely like the number one priority. Like James Potterly, who leads the UX team here, he always talks about like when we're designing any heads-up display, any wearable computer, the metaphor we have to think about is like consumer grade space exploration equipment, like a sort of a suit that you get to put on and explore this like these totally new worlds, this whole universe that people have never gone to before. But the number one priority of that is it's got to be like comfortable and safe. It's got to get you there. So that's for sure. Like we take that so seriously, and maybe the thing I'm most excited about with Magic Leap is that it's just the whole display to wear. I mean, it can get better, and that's what the team's working on every day with in our future. But I think it's for me much more comfortable than VR for sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's touching back to the reality. I mean, I'm personally very passionate about merging the mixed reality aspect. When you splinter off too far into other realities, you just have to be able to recalibrate. So I actually kind of feel like this XR or whatever people are calling it, kind of stuff where there's the graphics there, they're placed in spatially. This isn't going to be important for kind of remeshing the worlds back together, as people are going to get pretty twisted, splintered off into these other worlds. So I really see that this technology has both created the problem, but it also has the solution within it, which is that we can use this to kind of bring people's attention and awareness to aspects of the reality, which is what I'm so interested in it for so many different reasons, right?